Alright, let's see if I can do this while holding my phone. Here we go. Box is open. Oh, it just wants to slide right out of there. Whoa, look at this nice case. Maybe with wheels. My old dirty commercial fishing reindeer here got thrown up on the deck for some repairs. But look at this. That was probably for me sliding it out. No, it's just been slid around a little bit back and forth inside the box while it was there. Nevertheless, really nice case. Well, nice zippers, nice and smooth. Oh wow. Well, here we go. I like the size. Look at that. I don't know if I can get it out of there with holding the phone, but the opening of the Geneinno T1 underwater ROV, 150 meter umbilical here. Looks like we got the controller. So far this all seems to function pretty well one-handed. Wants to come right out of the bag anyway. Nice. It's down in there. Nice and sturdy foam. It's a pretty heavy little unit. Very cool. There's the book. Oh, nice and compact. That is sweet. Please not be all in Chinese. It's all in Chinese. Well, maybe I should ask for the translated version. Maybe it's on the other side. Aha! Bingo. Nice. Guess I should read the instructions. On the front page first. Videos to come. True treasure finder out.